Good afternoon. This is Austin Johnson, Master Chief of Planet Reach, reporting to you on this day of November 24th, 2007. Today, wildfires are raging across the northern sections of Planet Reach. Firemen are working valiantly to stop the blaze. Countless acres of wilderness as well as houses have and are being lost in this horrible tragedy. We all hope that this fire is put out soon and that not many woodland critters are incinerated. The only good thing that has come of this is that there will be fresh barbecued deer, raccoon, and rabbit for everyone. Therefore, as leader of Planet Reach, I declare today National Barbecue a Woodland Critter Day. We should all rejoice in this great new holiday.